What's up, kinfolk? Today we're making Mongolian beef. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need flank steak, yellow onion, green onion, dry red chili peppers, garlic, ginger, brown sugar, cornstarch, baking soda, soy sauce, Shaoxing cooking wine, avocado oil, salt, and black pepper. Begin by slicing 4 stalks of green onion into 2-inch pieces, removing the root ends and separating the lighter green and white parts from the rest because they're gonna cook longer. Slice a half a yellow onion, mince 5 cloves of garlic, mince a 1-inch piece of ginger, cut the flank steak into sections, then thinly slice it against the grain. To marinate, we're gonna place the beef in a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of Shaoxing cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix. Add a 4 cup of cornstarch and mix it until evenly coated. Lastly, add a tablespoon of avocado oil. Cover and marinate for 30 minutes up to an hour. Fry the beef in batches for about 2 minutes on each side or until golden and crispy. Remove majority of the oil except for about 2 tablespoons. Add minced garlic, ginger, the white parts of the green onion, yellow onion, dry red chili peppers, and saute for about 2 minutes. For the sauce, add a half cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, a half cup of water, and a 4 cup of brown sugar. To thicken the sauce, we're gonna add a cornstarch slurry, which is a tablespoon of water and a tablespoon of cornstarch mix. It's optional, but at this point you can season it to your taste with salt and black pepper. Once thickened, add back the beef and green onion. And there you have it, Mongolian beef. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.